I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to save an audio file as an MP3 in Audacity. Step 1. Open the file in Audacity that you want to save as an MP3 file. Step 2. Click File to open a drop-down menu, and then click Export Audio in this menu. The Export Audio window opens. Step 3. First, click Browse, and then choose the location where you want to export your MP3 file to. Next, click to open the Format dropdown, and then click MP3 Files in this menu. You can also modify your sample rate, the bitrate mode, the quality, and more. Step 4. Click Export when you're done to export your MP3 file to your defined location. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.